Upgrade your kitchen with the Lodge 7-Quart Enameled Cast Iron Oval Dutch Oven. This stunning oyster white beauty isn't just gorgeous. It's a workhorse in the kitchen. Its porcelain enamel interior is incredibly easy to clean, resists staining, and promotes perfect caramelization for restaurant-quality results every time. Imagine the delicious aromas filling your home as you braise tender meats, bake crusty bread, or simmer hearty stews. This oven-safe Dutch oven, up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, provides superior heat distribution and retention, ensuring even cooking and reducing energy waste. Plus, the tight-fitting lid seals in moisture for unbelievably flavorful meals. From family-friendly roasts to intimate dinners, this versatile Dutch oven is your new go-to for everything from marinating to serving. Made by a family-owned company with over 125 years of experience, you're getting quality and tradition in one beautiful package. It's PFOA and PTFE free, so you can cook with confidence.
Don't wait.
Visit the product page now and experience the difference of a Lodge Dutch oven. Elevate your cooking and impress your family and friends with unforgettable meals. Click here to order yours